Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel LearnIT. Today we will be having another interesting session on form view or list view. So today we will talk about list view and form view. So please watch my videos till the end for complete information. Alright, so let's proceed further on our form view and list view. So I will take an example of problem table. So if I open any problem list, so you will see list of all records will be opening in a list view under problem table, right? So this is the list of records. So this is the list view for any table like problem, incident, and there are multiple lists on multiple tables, right? And they are also having multiple views of same list layout. All right, so list view is nothing but it displays record from a table in a grid format, which let us do view, filter and sort data, right? So we can sort our data and we can change something under list layout, right? So this is the list view for problem table. And if I go here, we will see a default view selected. So by default for all the table, default view will be selected for the users. Alright, so this is called a list view. So what is form view? So suppose if we are opening this particular form, the list of columns has displayed in a single record. So like it is a page which displays a single record from a database table and includes for viewing related records and the relationships like a problem task, affected CIs, outages, attached knowledge. So this way we can see the single record here, and this is our form view for our problem table, and this view is selected as a default view. So you can see our view is selected as default, right? And you can see there are multiple views in our system for problem table like cancel dialog, mobile, SOW fixed dialog, form view. So we are having multiple form views for this problem table, right? So we can also create views which displayed under list layout and as well as which displays under form layout. Alright, so we will try to create some view under list layout or list view, and we will try to create some view inside form view as well. And why we are talking about creating a view? Sometimes there is a default view, there multiple fields are already displaying there. But some user is looking for a specific form where they have very limited number of fields, like they don't want extra fields to be displayed there, right? So for that views are generally created, right? So I will try to create one view here. So let me try to create view, and as well as I will try to create some fields there. So currently you will see we have views. Suppose I will select other view, workspace view. The form view will change. Yeah, some fields came here and some fields has removed from here. So I will go back to our default view and I will try to create my custom view where I will add some required fields. Let me duplicate this form. And now I will try to create a view here. So under configure form layout. And similarly you can create from here configure list layout. So you can create the view. So configure list form layout. And now I will create a view here. So I will click on new, LearnIT view. See, now LearnIT view is created and some default field is already present there. So I will remove some fields from here. Now you will see I have created my LearnIT view. Alright, now default view is displayed, still the view is not changed. So now what I will do is like I will try to change my view as LearnIT view. So you will see the changes on our form. See, this is the LearnIT view and you will see very limited fields here, right? Similar way, I will try to reload this list layout of problem table. And now see, by default LearnIT view is selected here. So here also we can change our list layout and present the field which we want to display under our new view. So we can provide our roles to our view also. So we will go to views here. So this is the system UI. Now you will see our LearnIT view is created here. So this is the view which is created and we can define our role. So like to whom this view is displayed. So suppose I will select as admin and I will save it. Now let us see whether our new user will be able to see this view or not. So this is my list layout. And now I will see while impersonating other user. So impersonate Adela, impersonate user. Alright, so I have impersonated to our user. So mostly this Adela user is not admin. So this person will not see the view. So now okay, some extra restrictions is already applied on this user. So I will select other user. So I will select ITIL user here. So ITIL user will be having ITIL roles and he will be having access to our problem also. So now you can see our LearnIT view is not visible because the visibility of LearnIT view is set to admin. So that's why the view is only displayed to admin users. All right. So let's close this and end our impersonation. This is how we can apply our view rule for our problem and the problem list and the problem form view. So we are having these two views. Single view is created, but both the views is shown on list view and as well as on form view. Now let's try to see one more thing. We are talking about form view, list view, creation of a view, and now there is for list there is one more thing. I will tell you about it. So suppose I am opening this problem list. So this is the list and we are having a personalized list. You can see I have clicked here and it is started displaying personalized list. And this is default list layout. So now one more thing I will do is like I will show you how we can change the list layout. Personalized list is something like suppose you have made any changes on your list layout, it will show only to you. But if you impersonate with other user, you will not see the change because that is a personalized list that is personalized only for that specific user. But if you have to make changes through all the users, so you have to make the changes under list layout, right? So I will show you how I can make the personalized list and as well as list view updated to all the users. So now I will show you what is the difference between personalized list and the default list view. So if suppose I am adding this active flag, okay, and I am adding from personalized list column. So the changes will be only applied to me. It will not apply to other users, right? So if I open this, you can see the active column is displayed here. Now if I am impersonate with other user, I will not get that view. I will not get that active field in that list view. See, I have impersonated and now active column has disappeared from here, right? So let me end impersonation here again. So now I will reload it again and you can see the active flag is again visible because this is the personalized list column for me. This is not customized for other users also. So now what we have to do, if we have to accomplish that requirement, so we have to go to configure list layout. And now you will see active flag is not added for all the users. Now I will add it and I will save it. Now what will happen? This active flag will be displayed to all the users, whether they have personalized for their columns or whether they are other users. So I will impersonate again for ITIL users. Okay, my bad. So let me change the default view. So the changes been applied on LearnIT view. So now LearnIT view is not having that active column. So I will add that column again and I will show you for that user. So this is the active column I have added. Now this is applied to the default view, right? So now you have seen how the view plays a role because I have accidentally added that active column under LearnIT view and LearnIT view is only visible to the admin. That's why it was not available there. So now we will again impersonate ITIL user and we will now see the active flag there. So let me reload this. Now you can see active flag is started displaying here. So this is how you can personalize your list column for yourself, or you can make the changes to the list layout if same changes has to be applied for all the users, right? So this way you can manage all your form view, list view, and how you can set the visibility based on roles. You can I have already shown you how you can do that, and as well as how you can add your personalized view, or how you can ask the team to change the same layout for all the users. So that's all about form view and list view. Please provide your comment if you have any questions, doubts or queries related to this session. For more information, please visit the description section under this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Stay tuned for more videos. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel LearnIT.